sorry, Claire. Sorry if I didn't call, but I'm miles away from home. And I don't care about the pain when the mountains no faith. And I know you suffer for too long. And I know you suffer for too long.
Bueno, bienvenidos al segundo aniversario de Sofar Sound Barcelona. 2 años en Barcelona. Estamos muy felices por ello, la verdad que muy felices. Esto es gracias a ustedes, gracias a todos los artistas que vienen cada vez y a toda la gente que participa de Sofar.
I'm Rafe, and this is Rocky. Hi. We came in for this birthday party. I'm really happy to be here and celebrate and just enjoy and meet some of you. And let's enjoy it. So thank you very much.
Show me love, show me love, show me. I need you to show me love. Won't you show me love? Your heart stops beating, you don't get enough. Show me love, won't you show me love? Not on the streets of in your home, so much brighter when you're not alone. So show me love, won't you show me love?
Muchas gracias, thank you very much. We're called Delorentos, somos irlandeses. Gracias, good night.